In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast, 5 minutes. If your inbox feels crowded and you're spending time scrolling, this quick guide will help you find what you need in seconds. First, open Outlook and sign in. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The search experience is almost the same. Give the page a moment to load your inbox so all your messages are indexed and ready to go. Next, look to the top of your inbox for the search box. It sits across the top bar, easy to spot. Click once to place your cursor there. As soon as you click, you may notice Outlook shows helpful options like recent searches or suggested filters. You'll also see scope controls such as searching the current folder, current mailbox, or all mailboxes. If you're not sure where the message lives, switch to all mailboxes so Outlook checks every account and folder at once. Now, start typing keywords from the email you're trying to find. Think about the most distinctive words, maybe a project name, a phrase from the subject, or a file name. Outlook begins matching as you type, so you might see results appear immediately. To be more precise, you can use helpful search operators. For example, type from followed by a person's name to find messages from that sender, or subject followed by a word or phrase to target the subject line. If you know there was an attachment, add has attachments. Yes. Use quotation marks around an exact phrase like project kickoff to narrow down to those specific words in that order. You can combine terms too, such as from manager, subject, report has attachments, yes, to quickly zero in on the right message. If you need to tighten the time frame, try adding this week or last month to your keywords, so Outlook prioritizes messages from those periods. When you're ready, press enter. This confirms the search and displays the full results list. If you see too many results, adjust the scope at the top, refine your terms, or add another operator. If you see too few, remove a term or try a broader keyword. When you've found what you need, you can clear the search using the X in the box or pressing escape to return to your inbox view. That's it. Click the search box, type smart keywords, and press enter. With a few targeted operators and a clear scope, you'll find emails fast every time.